Hi, it's Kay. Welcome to the cottage kitchen. Today I'm going to be making coffee in a Bialetti. Now, once I started making coffee in a Bialetti, I found it really hard to go back to using an electric coffee machine. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really, really easy, and I'm also going to give you some tips about buying your first Bialetti so you know exactly what to look for and that you don't get a bootleg one. Now you want to look inside of the Bialetti for this little line. It is a measurement line right there. And what you want to do is you want to put water in, and I know I'm taking water from a kettle, but the water is not hot. It's best to use cold water. You put cold water inside just up to that line. If you go over that line, your Bialetti will start to spit coffee out of its side. It's like a little air hole that's right there. So if you stick to the line, you're fine. Just add your coffee of choice, whichever brand you like. In this particular strength, I just use 2 level scoops of that particular scooper that I have, and the coffee does come out pretty strong. I mean, you're going to be really shocked. If you really, really like your coffee strong, then you may add more. I put it on the gas fire and just let it go. Now, here's the thing. Don't turn your fire up too high. I generally keep it on low for my particular stoves. Everyone's setting will be different, but as long as that fire is not too high, you should be okay. It will bubble up and it will look like that, and it should happen slowly, not like a really fast spurting thing. It'll take its time. Once it's done, I generally take my coffee out of the Bialetti and I pour it into another container that is actually going to be able to keep it hot for a while. The Bialetti, unlike the electric coffee machine, does not keep your coffee hot. It will start to cool off pretty quickly. If you're drinking it right away, then it's fine. So you know exactly what to look for and that you don't get a bootleg one. So stay tuned. And if you like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if there's anything else you want to see, if I've tried it and I really like it, I will definitely let you know. But I am definitely going to be honest. I did not forget, please click below and watch the full video, which will be coming out in a couple of days. If you subscribe, you'll be able to see the full video on how not to get a bootleg Bialetti. That actually did happen to me, so I'd love to share that with you. See you soon.